Hi, Alice here, and I'm with Barb, who is going to chat with us today about what she's doing with her gardening.
Hi, I'm Barb, and I live in North Florida. I love avocados. I am a lifetime Florida resident. I moved up here to Madison. And being a lifetime Floridian, I love avocados. So I had to bring an avocado tree with me. This particular variety is a Waldin and has a very nice nutty flavor. It's a smooth skinned avocado. Full bud this year. This is the best bloom set I've had on it since I brought it up here. They are very cold sensitive. So all winter long, anytime it got below 32 degrees, I had to drag that sucker into the house, which got to be a pain in the neck, but I think it's worth it if I'm going to get some avocados off of it this year. As you can see, the blooms are just starting to open, and we have quite a few pollinators working the blooms, working the flowers. So hopefully I will get some avocados this year.
Barb, if somebody wanted an avocado tree up here, we're in zone 9A. We used to be 8B. What would you suggest they consider? A pot, bring it inside, having a greenhouse, or just buying them at the store?
There are some varieties that are cold hardy varieties. I am not familiar with them specifically. I would recommend if you're going to grow it, you either get a cold hardy variety or definitely keep it in a pot. This guy actually is starting to get pretty big. And after he gets done blooming and fruiting this year, I'm going to whack him off. And I can do that. I can trim him back and keep him a smaller size as long as I don't damage the graft at the bottom. So they can be trimmed safely and
Now,
still produce.
are all avocados on a graft?
You, any commercial avocado has been grafted, yes. You can grow seedlings, you can grow an avocado from a seed, but you will not get the same avocado that you planted, that you ate. They don't grow true from seed. And usually a seedling avocado in general will take a couple of years longer to produce than a grafted avocado.
So if I bought a small grafted avocado at the store and I'm going to have a pot set up like you have,
Mhm.
what would I expect in terms of how long it would take from when I buy it small to when it's going to fruit for me?
Usually, when they're grafted, they will produce within a year or two. Now, your first year, I have a smaller tree also that I brought up out in the sun field. This guy is probably 8 or 9 years old. The one I have out there is considerably smaller. It did not bloom this year. I expect it to next year. However, for the health of the tree, you don't want to let a young tree have a whole bunch of fruit on it because it'll damage the tree, it'll break the tree. It's stressful. So
Now, in terms of sun, soil, and water requirement, I see this looks like it's pretty much full sun. Is that what
yes,
you need?
yes, full sun.
And the soil?
The soil, any general potting soil mix is fine. Don't buy topsoil. That's the only thing I'll say. Don't buy topsoil because all that is muck. So you
Okay.
need something with some drainage. Avocados don't like to have their feet continuously wet. Now, this guy is fully rooted in this pot, so I have to water him every day. He gets a couple of gallons of water every day because he's been in this pot and he's fully rooted out. Um, but if once you first plant them, you don't want to water them every day. Water them once, wait till the soil dries out, and then water them again.
Now, when you say wait till the soil dries out, do you use the test of you put your finger in and if
Yeah,
it goes to the second knuckle and it's still dry,
yeah,
then it's time to water?
yes,
Okay.
yes, definitely.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.